Yo, what up YouTube? Bomber Clark, man's out here watching The Flash, new series. Flash has got to be one of the worst superheroes ever. He just runs fast. He's shit. Anyway, let's rain the mask. Let me just move it out the way. My Lucky Charms bowl. So, did the unboxing. Wasn't even an unboxing, I think it was a quick look, or I don't even know what happened. But anyway, these are them. So, Air Jordan 1 85. Well, it's got 85 on the box. Now, I've got this fascination of Jordans that Michael Jordan's actually played in. At one point, I only picked up Jordans that Jordan actually played in, and then they started bringing out these colorways like the Jordan 11, the Gamma Blues, the Gamma 11s, and they're bringing out those. They brought out numerous different shit, and then they had to go out the window. But anyway, these, I was not a fan of Jordan 1s. Was not a fan of Jordan 1s, and I thought, rah, okay, what we saying? Saw these, and I thought, I've got to have these. Now, I'm not going to get into the history of a Jordan 1, because I think anyone that knows anything about basketball will know what a Jordan 1 is. There isn't much detail on these as far as I'm concerned, so this will be a short review or quick look. Now, apparently, firstly, let's start at the bottom of the sole. I'm assuming there's an air unit in there somewhere. Where it is, I don't know. It must be built into the sole, maybe. And if you just look, like, it's a very, very basic shoe, if you want to call it that. Very, very basic. You can just see the stitching is just immaculate. It's none of that bullshit that you get on some of the other Jordans that coming out now. Like, these are just so simple. Then you've got your Air Jordan logo. I do think, like, I've never had an OG pair of these, so I don't know if this has changed over the years. But I believe that this should have been embroidered in rather than like embossed in. I think it should have been embroidered in. But you can't really go wrong with a black and white trainer. People ask, what do you wear with it? Like, man, if someone's got to tell you what you need to dress in to make a trainer looks good, you shouldn't be buying trainers. Don't buy trainers. Just stick to wearing boat shoes or some shit like that. Anyway, you can just see the toe box there. Would I say that the toe box is perfect? No. You can just see that the cut is slightly jagged, but it's all good for me. Then you've got the actual laces. These do come with a pair of white laces as well, if you wanted to switch them out. Would rope laces work in these? Maybe. I wouldn't risk it. Then you've just got your basic Air Jordan Retro OG tongue with the Nike Air on the tongue. Like, you can't go wrong with these. These are, you can, people might say, when do you wear them? Some stupid questions people ask. Like, you can wear these winter, summer, I don't give a damn. You can wear them with shorts or without shorts. It's entirely up to you. These are actually sold out now, so you can't get these nowhere. The last place I saw a pair was in Foot Patrol. Foot Patrol in Berwick Street had a pair. Obviously, they sell shit for retail. Like, they're gone. They're not really selling for much. I think they're reselling for maybe about 145, 150. I can't remember how much I got these for. I can't remember how much they retailed for. Maybe 110. And then I used the Pulse discount code. I'll tell all the massive that are rinsing the Pulse discount codes. Rinse them from now, because when they lock off, everything will be full price. And full price Jordans ain't the way forward. But anyway, what are your thoughts? Thumbs up, thumbs down, holler at me, holler in the comments. I will comment back. It's Rain the Mask, signing out. See ya!